I'm heading more towards the holistic fitness side of things, where we train our mind, where we train our body, where we train our spirit, where everything's connected, because we're spiritual beings, but we're in a physical body, and we have to take care of things in the physical realm. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to do these vlogs to connect somebody. If I reach one person, if I reach two people, three people, I don't have a big YouTube video, but hopefully it starts catching rhythm. Because I really believe if you do the right things, the good will come back to you, and if you have the right intentions. One thing about training seniors, they know if you have the right intentions. They know if you don't have the right intentions. So it's really hard to fool seniors. There's a reason why you get to a certain age, because you've been around and you know what to look for when somebody's trying to hustle you. For the most part, everybody can maybe, you know, not not check out things sometimes, and we can all be fooled. But for the most part, 50, 60, 70-year-old people, they've been around. They know when someone's trying to hustle them. All right, so think about your posture, your head. Okay, your head. If it's here over shoulder, it's about 10 pounds. For every inch forward, add 20 pounds. Add 20 pounds. So if you're here over shoulder, right, and you're straight up here, you're about 10 pounds on your spine. You're fine. Once you start hunching over, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds. Imagine 40 extra pounds on your spine. It's not going to be good for you. All right, it's not going to be good. And then you're looking down all the time. You were meant to look up. You were meant to have good posture. So you want a trainer that understands these exercises. I can tell you from a trainer perspective, you want to make sure your middle back muscles are strong. So you want to do things like seated rows. Okay? And if I can, I'll try to put the exercise on the screen 10, 15, 20 seconds, and you'll hear my voice. So if I found the exercise, it will be on the screen. That is a seated row. Seated row. So now work your middle back muscles, especially the rhomboids. Seated rows are good. All right. Another exercise you want to do, something functional, some type of hinge, some type of deadlift. Yes, you can do a modified deadlift. And I do have the deadlift. It's going to be on the screen. This is the deadlift. All right. Some type of modified deadlift is fine. You can do that with dumbbells. You can do that with sport plates, meaning those weights that you can have they have like a hole through it where you can put your hands. You can do stuff like this. You want to do your lower back as well, especially if you're a man. Men have a lot of lower back problems because we don't work our glutes. All right. You want to work those things. You want to be able to squat. I'm not talking about putting the barbell on your back and putting 300, 400 pounds. I'm talking about squat down, pick something up, you know, with dumbbells, with kettlebells, with a medicine ball. Put a backpack with weight on. But you got to strengthen your body. The trainer should give you functional exercises. Functional means that it carries over to your activities of daily living.